These cicadas have been living under the ground for 17 years. We captured some of these cicadas for a taste test. If cooked right after they emerge into adulthood, they are white and tender. And no, cicadas are not locusts or grasshoppers. Euthanized in the freezer, the cicadas managed to keep transforming, and our pristine, newly hatched specimens now had a grotesque movie monster look. Heat up some soy oil because of its neutral flavor and toss in the cicadas. Cook them to a gentle golden brown. Dry on paper towels and dust with salt.
Yeah, it's like chicken skin. I'm serious, it's good.